Hello, my name is Krisnaldy Nurrahman Prasetyo. I am from University of Malaya. I have been interning for 11 weeks at VISI Energy, and my supervisor is Mr. Umar. I am interning as a hardware and design engineering, and today I will be teaching you how the safety and regulations of grinding and how to work a grinding machine. So the first thing about grinding is we should have the safety tools, which is glasses, gloves, and an extra thing to have is a pen to mark where we start cutting. So first, I will mark the length of what we're gonna cut, wear the gloves, and the safety glasses. Okay. Take the hand with the glove on and use it, and make sure that the power socket is on. Next, you stay as far as possible with your hand firming the bar onto the table, and make sure you keep your distance in order for the bar not to fly to you. So the grinding machine has two modes, where one, you hold it up like this and let it go and turn off, or you hold it up and you press down, it will stay on. Since now we're only since it's gonna be a small experiment, so I'll just manually turn on and off. So we're gonna start by turning it on and slowly grinding it like this. Just a simple grind, but if not following the safety instructions, your hand can potentially get cut if you're holding it too close, or if this was a metal bar, the sparks can burn the arm and can also damage the eyes. I hope you all understood my tutorial earlier, and I would like to thank VISI Energy for giving me this opportunity to intern for 11 weeks here. I have learned a lot about the engineering industry, and I'd love to work with VISI Energy again as soon as I'm done with university. Bye.